Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by making sure prerequisites are met. Your phone is updated, Google Assistant enabled, and a secure lock is set. Open the Google app, tap Profile, then Settings, and choose Assistant. Grant microphone access so voice commands work reliably. Next, practice the exact wake phrase you'll use. This matters because Assistant needs consistent recognition to run sensitive commands. Once done, test a simple query like, "What's the time?" to confirm audio and account linkage before proceeding to lock actions. You now execute the lock action. Say your wake phrase, then clearly speak, "Lock my phone." Assistant may verify your identity. Follow prompts to confirm the request. If Assistant asks for screen lock authentication, provide your PIN or pattern. This prevents accidental locks. For hands-free situations, set a trusted voice match or create a routine that includes the lock command. Make sure to speak calmly and close to the microphone for best recognition, because noisy environments can block successful command processing. You finish by confirming the phone is locked. Look for the secure lock screen. If it didn't lock, make sure Assistant has lock device permission and that your screen lock method supports remote locking. Also check that voice match is trained and your Google account is active. These affect authentication. As a quick fix, restart the phone and retry the command. If problems persist, remove and re-add Assistant permissions and then retest. This resets the pathway that lets Assistant trigger sensitive device actions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.